Okay, here we are back at the firehouse again. Time to sand down all these spots and recover where needed. Give you a general idea of what we left the last time. I have also put this tarp over top of the sink. There was obviously some dust left over in there from before, but it's okay. We'll get it all cleaned up. This is to keep the major part of the dust because the sanding is really going to create a bunch of dust. All right, so this is where we're at. Once again, like I said, we still have to cover over here, a little fixing up, but for the most part, everything has been mudded and just needs to be sanded. So let's get to it.